Alright, I'm done.
Yeah, I have two.
Which one's the next one?
Super Off-Road.
Super Off-Road.
Next.
Racing's Game over.
At least you have unlimited continues.
Yeah, and you progress. It's not
and it
like
lets you change your character
Yep.
with each continue.
Yeah.
So like if one matchup is bad,
like
you
PlayStation 2 had their fighting game. You got two controllers?
Yeah, but I don't really. We can't steal them, but I have to like turn off the whole audio.
Okay. That's like a classic. Why is it not starting?
Select. You just have to press the button. It told you to.
I pressed it. I thought we already passed it. First Pro am all day. What color am I?
I think you're red.
Now I gotta figure out the gas for something. I think I just nitroed all of them. I hit the nitro button.
You can speed up for the rest of the show. If I get the bumper,
I'm gonna catch him though. I love this game. This in the arcade. This is based. Yes, Super Off-Road. But RC Pro-Am is basically made from this game.
yeah.
Because you got all the money and the hop-ups. Catch them on the way. How's that guy first? He's the first guy passed.
Maybe he had a whole lap on you.
Maybe. Try again.
Does that cost that top speed cost all? Just to know what car you are now.
Yeah.
Is it a different track?
Yeah.
That's cool. Yeah, to do that boost.
I don't know what's the point.
I think it's one of the numbers.
What's the break? I've seen the So I got second. Does that mean I get to move on? Oh yeah. So now I can upgrade the tires. Acceleration.
Nitro, you didn't buy it.
Yeah, I didn't buy it.
And he still didn't buy it.
We'll be fine. I'll fix them.
That was good. I'll put those for you so you can
Yeah. Baby. Can't mess with me. That first guy, I just can't catch him. That's why I have one of the nitros. Once my car is faster, I'll catch him. Or maybe I'm just bad at driving.
Yeah, I've read
Alright, so. Okay, so the nitro must be Y. Ooh, I like this one. Yep. Why is nitro?
You need it right there. That's where you need
No, it's also where you go off the track and then you got good views straight. This is where you need nitro. Clear. Not a nitro. But I think that's one down here, isn't it? Oh, I wasted time on it. Come on! Yeah, but if I cross, ooh, that was close.
You have to refill your nitro?
Yeah, you get shots. Right? Acceleration.
This is a good nitro right there.
Wasting them and car.
There you go.
Yeah.
You have to do those tight corners.
Yeah, but I had.
And then you just
Yeah,
hit
and
that.
then I'm last. Oh my goodness, I'm gonna get some money at this. Come on, you can do it. Don't get lapped. Here's some skills. Yeah, baby. Tell me what I can do. I'm so slow.
Is your car broken down or something?
No, it's the regular speed. You gotta upgrade your
You
speed.
got last.
I think I need to not worry about nights.
Oh, you got second.
Yeah. I cut the corners.
I would have figured tires.
No, I need acceleration. Top speed or acceleration?
You already pressed one of them.
In there, and then I'll do nitros. And I'm only going to use them sparingly.
Like in that stretch right there where there's nothing.
Jump. I can drive this. Oh no, oh no! I'm trying to keep on the road. I don't need to turn around. Come on! Okay, I'm done. Your turn. Keep upgrading. Did we get anything for it? We got 100,000. Oh, they game overed us. Oh! Ooh! I love that intro. I want an RC car like that. That's what, like, I think that, you know, that Losi's supposed to look like. You know? Right?
What? No. Super Nintendo, they always make the B button.
What?
Super Nintendo always makes the B button like this one.
Starting at the beginning. They get 15 nitros. You got, that's crazy. They want straight nitros. You'll still do that. And if you're not turned around, you're going the wrong way.
This controls.
I know, they're so goofy. But once you get the hang of them, it's good.
I will say, I like this game. I think I like the way RC Pro Hands controls better.
Yeah, of course. But this is the original. This is what made our Superman. In my opinion. And I enjoyed this in the arcade more with the wheel.
Yeah, I've played it. Really good game over.
Get something good. Just get nitro. And just drive better. That's the hard part because you get bounced around if you do it wrong. You get stuck in the water. Get centered. Ride it out. Yeah.
How many nitros do other players have?
I know. They get 15, 25. They just get a little
29, 38.
Yeah. You gotta pass it, man. Right on the first one. Oh. I don't know if you keep. Yeah, you're on the podium. You'll move on. You just only get 80,000 or something.
I got third place. I got 54.
Only thing you buy is nitros. They got 30. So cheap. 37.
I feel like every bar of nitros you buy should give you like 5.
Yeah.
But I only get one extra.
I know.
Oh.
Look at the corners. Oh! Ooh, that was 24. Yeah, second. 130. 120. Oh, let's hit the pickup score. Yeah. Guys are so fast.
To get all the nitros, I can do nitros in all the spots. I can only do nitro. I have to choose my one spot every lap.
She got 64 nitros. What the hell? How are you supposed to compete with that? Like I could just nitro all day. You know? What was that, 30? 10? 10?
I got second place again.
Yep. Now do your motor and then motor, yeah. And then you got 3 nitros in there. If you take these quarters real tight, you can beat everybody without a nitro. And then just nitro on the back. Yeah.
Right, I collected nitros.
Oh, what a dick. Nitro right out
Look at these dudes. They're just nitro in the whole
I know. The whole way. The whole way. Still got something. Got the balanced car. Should drive the best right.
Oh, I got 2 nitros.
good lead on that. And he ain't catching first. Wonder if you fully upgrade the car, if you could actually catch the guy at first.
Probably.
Motor or speed. Acceleration maybe. It'll get you faster off the go.
Yeah.
When you're,
That's what I need because the top
when you
speed.
hit a guy, you know, you go again.
What's the track where you quit?
I don't remember. It might be. I like this one. This is the first track. We're already back from the beginning. No, see, there's no things on the track. The yellow boxes are second going around. It's okay, the next money will be 20.
That person is got.
Yeah, but the next money that gets popped up. So you got 10, 20, 30. You know?
Second.
Yep.
I still have my phone.
The acceleration.
I did excel last time.
Or I mean top speed.
This is a new track.
This is a good track, but it's easy to get knocked off too, so. Because of the cross traffic. Yeah, that's a good space.
I just have to not be wrong.
Yeah.
That person. Oh!
You're still not last. Just don't do that again. You still got your nitros, right? You didn't waste them.
No, I used them. I can find more of them.
Your tires names.
Yeah, I think I got further.
Yeah, you did. I remember this one too. This is a good track. Easy to get turned around.
Once you get turned around, it's so
It's
hard.
so hard to, yeah, it's hard to turn around. You gotta get wedged.
It's a good thing I bought 5 left. This might be my last one.
Yeah.
Oh, freaking! Oh my God! I would have beat that. I would have gotten ahead.
Game over. Alright, that's long enough for this. Hopefully you guys dig. That's a half hour we watching. Nice. I'll see you when I see you guys. Peace.